Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to change a snare strainer. This snare strainer is slipping and it won't stay tight. So I'll play a song, go through a song, and this snare strainer will have backed off substantially. It's old, it's a little bit sloppy. So what I did is I went to my favorite vintage shop and I got another snare strainer. So I'm going to put that one on. I'm going to keep this one because this is the one that's originally with the drum and I don't want to mess with the value of the drum. But I am going to take it off and replace it. This is a pretty vintage Slingerland. So it's a very nice drum. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. First, we took the snare string off. So I'm going to leave the back end of the snare on, but I'm going to take all the lugs off. I'm going to take the bottom head off. Okay, on these old strainers, you just back this off so you can take it off. I want to take this entire piece off for now because I need to access that screw and this screw. Okay? I'm going to put this back together. This is made of leather or something, and it has just shrunk to nothing. So I'm just going to put it back together. Maybe in my workshop I can come up with a solution for that some other time. But for now, to be stored, I'll put it in a plastic baggie and I'll label it. New snare strainer. You put the big washer on first, then the little tiny lock washer, and the 1/4 inch. Okay, this is a pretty good little tweak here. Tie piece back on. Okay. Put it back on. There you go. How to replace a strainer on a vintage drum.